I love stickers, and stickers aren't just great for faces, they're great for packaging too. I'm Jessie Janae, this is Shipping Things, and today we're going to cover all the different ways you can use stickers to create an incredible unboxing experience for your brand. The real thing about stickers is that they're actually really kind of tiny. So can you kind of pull it in, get a little closer so we can see the magic of these guys? All right. I think that's perfect. So the thing about stickers, the real thing, is that you can kind of do whatever you want with them. So you can do metallic finishes, you could use one color or a lot of colors, you can make them any shape, die cut, put them on a sticker sheet or as individual pieces. So there's just like the sky is the limit on your sticker design. So how do you use a sticker to your best advantage? Well, you can keep it simple and do a logo and just keep it classy, nice, and element and pop of your logo, or you could actually use your sticker to do labeling messaging or encourage your customers to share on social, something that adds more content to the package itself. So how do you use the plethora of options in your unboxing experience? Well, a couple different ways. You can actually take the sticker and put it on the outside of a mailer or a box to add a pop of color and branding to an otherwise uncustomized package. You can also use the sticker itself in lieu of tape or an actual way to hold the box together. So in this case, Parachute Home is using it, and it can create a cleaner look than tape because it's always a consistent size and easier to apply in fulfillment. Now, let's go inside the box. One of the most common ways to use a sticker is to close tissue paper to give your package that real branded feel. And that sticker becomes a pop of color sometimes and just a really nice thing for your customer to open. Of course, that's not the only way to use a sticker in a package. You can also use a sticker on the product itself to give the actual brand name, and product information. A sticker can be small but mighty. Another way is to actually use a sticker to provide information and fulfillment, barcode information, SKU information, product specs, and other details that your fulfillment or warehouse team might need. So stickers can be used to give your customer information, branding, and other fun things, or for your team itself. So stickers can be functional, stickers can be beautiful, but there's another important thing that stickers can be, an important part of a brand's marketing. Every time someone orders from Glossier, they receive this, a sticker sheet of unused stickers that the end customer gets to use and stick on whatever they like. It's a really inexpensive add to the package, but it's a beautiful way of using a sticker, and it allows the end customer to participate in the brand and using these items themselves. Stickers are great for packaging, but they're also great for collecting. I've got my sticker collection here. I've got cars and tractors and motorcycles. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is my dog page. Look at this, there's a dog in a teacup. Is it? Oh, okay, they don't want me to. We're gonna have to cover this in a different episode, guys.